Imagine the thrill of exploring the rich tapestry of South African culture, all while having an unforgettable time with your loved ones. Welcome to our top 5 must-visit museums in South Africa. First up, we have the Apartheid Museum in Johannesburg, a poignant reminder of South Africa's turbulent past with intriguing exhibits that will engage both young and old. Next, Cape Town's District 6 Museum. This place tells a compelling story of forced removals during the apartheid era. It's a touching tribute to resilience and unity. Third, we have the Iziko South African Museum, a treasure trove of natural history and anthropology. It's a world of discovery that the whole family will love. Our fourth pick is the South African National Gallery. It's home to extraordinary collections of African, British, French, Dutch, and Flemish art. Lastly, we have the Origins Center Museum. This is where you can explore the origins of humankind and our ancient ancestors. 5 unique museums, each with a story to tell. So why not make your next family outing an educational adventure in South Africa? Stay tuned for more exciting journeys.